5 things you should know about child support. Child support is essential for separated or divorced parents to ensure the well-being and stability of their children. If you're a parent going through a separation or divorce, there are several things you should know about child support. Keep reading to explore the top 5 things you should understand to make the child support process as smooth and manageable as possible. Child support calculations. Child support calculations vary depending on the state or country you reside in. Typically, courts consider both parents' income, the number of children, and each child's specific needs. Online child support calculators are available to help you estimate the amount you may need to pay or receive. Payment tracking. Whether you are paying or receiving child support, keeping track of all payments is crucial. Regular, accurate record keeping will help avoid disputes and legal problems in the future. Consider using a dedicated checking account, spreadsheet, or mobile app to document all child support transactions. Possible modifications. Child support orders can be modified when a significant change occurs in either parent's financial situation. A job loss, substantial pay raise, or increased financial needs of the child can trigger a review of the child support agreement. If you're experiencing a change and don't know what to do if you can't pay child support, contact a legal professional or your local child support agency to discuss your options. Visitation rights and child support. Child support and visitation have different legal guidelines and are not directly connected. If a parent fails to make child support payments, it does not mean they lose their visitation rights. Likewise, denying visitation to a parent who is not paying child support is not advisable. Both matters are legally separate and should be treated as such. Your legal rights knowledge is a powerful tool, and understanding your legal rights is even more crucial when it comes to child support cases. Take the time to familiarize yourself with the child support laws specific to your jurisdiction, or consult a knowledgeable family law attorney for a comprehensive approach. Doing so will equip you with the necessary information and guidance to navigate the child support process successfully, ensuring the best possible outcome for you and your child. There are several things you should know about child support to make informed decisions, protect your child's well-being, and maintain a healthy co-parenting relationship. Keep your child's best interests in mind and educate yourself on the intricacies of child support so you're well prepared for this process. By doing so, you will be better equipped to handle any challenges that may arise in your child support journey.